If you're planning to move your organization's data from Google Workspace to Microsoft 365, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the process so you know exactly what to expect. The first step is preparation. That's when you decide what users you'll migrate, what types of data you'll transfer, and when. At this stage, you also need to create accounts in Microsoft and activate OneDrive for all users. Then you need to select your migration tool. There are free and paid tools, each with their pros and cons. We'll cover this later in this video. Then you'll need to run a migration. If you have many users, opt for staged migrations and migrate users in smaller batches. Then run Delta migrations to ensure that everything is copied. After your migration is complete, review the results and compare them with the source accounts. If a migration report is available, download it and keep it for future reference. Then, when you are ready to fully switch to Microsoft, update the MX records to direct mail to Outlook instead of Gmail. Finally, cancel your Google Workspace subscription. We recommend keeping it active for at least a couple of weeks after the migration. There are two approaches to transferring data from Google to Microsoft. Using Microsoft's free migration tools, which require more knowledge and preparation, and opting for a paid third-party service like VaultMe for admins, which automates many tasks. Microsoft's native tools are often used by IT admins. While these tools are free, they have complex settings which may be overwhelming. Support for free tools is limited to community forums, and troubleshooting may take days. Free tools are best suited for basic accounts and can be managed easily only by experienced admins. They work well when you only need to transfer basic data. Third-party tools like VaultMe for admins are designed to make the migration process easier and more efficient. They generally provide more accurate results, are more reliable, and help you save time. They include dedicated support, which eliminates the need to search for troubleshooting tips. While they do require a one-time payment, the cost is usually a worthwhile investment. Paid apps are a good choice if you have limited time and tech expertise and are dealing with multiple accounts with large files and complex folder structures. VaultMe for admins automates and simplifies the migration process. With features like batch migrations and free Delta migrations, it ensures an efficient transition. Plus, comprehensive reports generated after the migration ensure that you can track each item. Try VaultMe today and experience a hassle-free migration. Visit our website to learn more.